Is your 2006 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. These models use a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which typically lasts 1 to 3 years. First, confirm you have a Sonata manufactured between 2006 and 2014. The key fob will have buttons for lock, unlock, and trunk release. To replace the battery, locate the small seam or button on the side of the fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry it open. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, usually the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob to ensure it's working. If it's still not working, there may be another underlying cause. Here are some important tips for replacing your Sonata's key fob battery. Always double-check the battery polarity before closing the fob to avoid damage. Avoid static electricity during the process, as it can harm the electronics. Recycle CR2032 batteries properly because of their lithium content. DIY replacements are popular for these older models and save money compared to dealership services. For troubleshooting, if the fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the problem could be a faulty transmitter or immobilizer chip, which requires professional help. If you're not comfortable performing the steps yourself, consider bringing the fob to a professional for assistance. Looking to future trends, newer Hyundai vehicles are moving towards rechargeable fobs and smartphone integration for convenience. However, your 2006-2014 Sonata will continue to rely on the simple and cost-effective CR2032 battery. Upgrading to aftermarket smart keys with smartphone syncing is possible, but may be expensive.